Welcome to the news of the day. Union Minister Piyush Goyal has been appointed as the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, succeeded Thawar Chand Gehlot. India's first grain ATM open in Gurugram, Haryana under the World Food Programme of the United Nations. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. CM of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar and Governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. The Union Territory of Ladakh Organic signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Sikkim State Organic Certification Agency. The Reserve Bank of India has launched the RBI Retail Direct Scheme for retail investors, through which they can directly buy and sell government securities. Note it down. RBI 25th Governor is Shaktikant Das. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and it was founded on 1st April 1935 in Kolkata. RBI cancels license of Dr. Shivaji Rao Patil Nilangekar Urban Cooperative Bank. RBI imposes restrictions on MasterCard Asia from adding new customers. The Union Cabinet headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved an increase in the dearness allowance to central government employees and dearness relief to pensioners to 28%. The wholesale price based inflation eased marginally to 12.07% in June. NTPC Limited construct India's largest solar power park in Kutch, Gujarat. Note it down. NTPC chairman and MD is Shri Gurdeep Singh. It was founded on 1975. Headquarters is in New Delhi. Union Cabinet approves continuation of National Ayush Mission scheme for another 5 years. Note it down. Minister of Ayush is Sarbanand Sonowal. The annual report of United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization titled The State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World 2021 states that between 720 and 811 million people in the world faced hunger in 2020, which is around 161 million more than in 2019. The Indian Space Research Organization successfully conducts third test on Vikas Engine for Gaganyaan program. Note it down. ISRO chairman is K. Sivan and its headquarters is in Bangalore. A.R. Rahman launched Tokyo Olympics cheer song Hindustani Way. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has received a book entitled Urdu Poets and Writers Gems of Deccan, authored by J.S. Iftikhar. World Youth Skill Day celebrated on 15 July. Theme of the day was Reimagining Youth Skills Post-Pandemic. 6th anniversary of Skill India Mission addressed by PM Modi. PM Narendra Modi inaugurates Rudraksh Convention Center in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. UAE, United Arab Emirates, become first Gulf nation to open embassy in Israel. Note it down. UAE capital is Abu Dhabi. Its currency is UAE dirham and its president is Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Israel Prime Minister is Naftali Bennett. China begins construction of world's #1 commercial small modular reactor Linglong 1. Note it down. China's capital is Beijing. Its currency is renminbi and its president is Xi Jinping. Singapore has unveiled one of the world's largest floating solar panel farms. Note it down. PM of Singapore is Lee Hsien Loong and its capital is Singapore. Currency is dollar. Karnataka CM B.S. Yediyurappa has unveiled the Karnataka Electric Bike Taxi Scheme 2021. Note it down. Its capital is Bengaluru and its governor is Thawar Chand Gehlot. The Indian Academy of Highway Engineers under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has inked an agreement with the University of New South Wales, Australia, for setting up a Centre for Advanced Transportation Technology and Systems in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Adani Group has completed the takeover of Mumbai International Airport and become the top company in terms of airport infrastructure companies in India. Pakistan captain Babar Azam became fastest batsman to score 14 ODI centuries. The All India Football Federation has nominated Gokulam Kerala FC to represent India in the AFC Club Championship 2021. National award winning actress Surekha Sikri passed away. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has launched a mobile application CP Grams to lodge grievances using artificial intelligence. Mandwadi railway station renamed as Banaras by Northeastern Railways. That's all for today. For more updates, follow us on Instagram and YouTube.